Hi everyone, I'm Dom and it's that time of year where I get to introduce you to the brand new flagship smartphone from Sony, the Xperia 1 Mark VII. As we open up the packaging made from Sony's original blended material, I'm happy to say that recycled materials are used for all the plastic parts in this device, which weighs in at a surprisingly light 192 grams. We're greeted with the now familiar tactile and grippy textured glass, ridged edges and dedicated shutter button. The SIM tray you can remove without the need of a tool, and space for a micro SD card to give you up to 2 terabytes of extra storage. And of course, the 3.5mm headphone jack, but more on that later. We've collaborated with engineers from Alpha Cameras, Walkman portable audio players and Bravia TVs to incorporate the cutting-edge technology from these dedicated devices, and we've optimised their design for the Xperia 1 Mark VII. And by cultivating AI technologies from these dedicated devices, Xperia Intelligence provides new and unique shooting, listening and viewing experiences to you in real time. Okay, so there's a lot to unpack. So let's kick off with 2 new camera modes powered by Alpha, which help you not only make better looking videos, but also enable you to live in the moment. Introducing AI camera work. This is great for people who prefer to stay behind the camera instead of in front of it, and it uses AI to perfectly frame your subject or to give you rock solid stabilization without the need of any other equipment. To use AI camera work, when your subject enters the frame, make sure they're selected. For people, this should happen automatically, but for pets, you might need to tap on the screen to select them. Then activate subject position lock and AI camera work will do the rest. You can even adjust exactly how your subject is framed in the settings. This is going to be amazing for families and friends who want to capture awesome moments but stay present in the moment at the same time, because you don't have to keep your eyes glued to your screen at all times. It's also great for content creators, enabling them to concentrate on sharing their passion with their audience without having to worry about being a good camera operator. AI will just take care of it. You just set it recording, have fun, and enjoy or share it later. But there is more to AI camera work than just framing your subject. It offers phenomenal video stabilization when the subject position lock is deactivated, which is perfect for dynamic action-packed shots or when you're running around after your kids or pets. The second AI camera feature is auto framing, and it's powered by Alpha. It utilizes the new and improved 16mm ultra-wide lens, the already well-established fantastic quality of the 24mm wide lens, and the application of AI to enable me, a person who's creating this video all by themselves, to make it look like I have a camera operator following me all around the frame. This feature is made possible by capturing 4K video and using Sony's AI-powered human pose estimation. Now, previously, human pose estimation was only available in stills photography to help with Sony's lightning-fast autofocus capabilities. But now, it's available in video. And thanks to the improvements made to the 16mm ultra-wide lens, you can now choose how tight you want to frame your subject. Let me show you how it works. Do I jump over? Should I jump over? Let's see if it can follow me. Let me show you how it works. Simply select auto framing in the camera app and select which lens you'd like to use and how you'd like the final video to be framed, then just record. This is a really powerful tool for solo content creators who want to use the power of Sony's Alpha technologies at a moment's notice. In addition to the reframed version of the video, you also get a full 4K wide version of the video as well, which is perfect, say, if you're going out on a day out with friends and family. You can actually have a version that's a close-up of your family and the full 4K version to show the whole scene. Now, I've mentioned a couple of times already about the new and improved ultra-wide camera, and one of the biggest improvements is the sensor. It is over 2 times larger than last year's model, being able to capture more light and more dynamic range, resulting in noiseless night shots that look like they could have been taken on a full-frame Alpha camera. What's more, you can now get twice as close to your subject using the ultra-wide camera to capture some really dynamic-looking close-ups. But if you're more into portrait photography, bokeh mode on the Xperia 1 Mark VII has had a massive upgrade. Now you have the ability to capture portraits in HDR, resulting in balanced background defocus and expertly crafted natural-looking bokeh, which you can dial in based on focal length, just like Sony's professional Alpha cameras. All that with faithful skin tones. True audiophiles know that the hardware connecting you to your music plays a huge part in the output quality. And with the Xperia 1 Mark 7, not only do you have a 3.5mm headphone jack with a high quality integrated audio circuit, but now you get upgraded components from Walkman to go that extra step to audio perfection. Components such as high quality solder with added gold in the audio jack section, resulting in drastically reduced signal loss, and fine sound resistors with non-magnetic copper plating to help eliminate sound distortion from magnetic interference. All these factors mean that you get a more expansive, rich sound which is intensely detailed and previously only available on a dedicated music player. But if you're more of a wireless headphone user, then not only can you enjoy high-res audio over a wireless connection thanks to Sony's LDAC, but now the Bluetooth transmission strength has been doubled. So even when you're surrounded by other Bluetooth users, you can have a more reliable connection to your music. And Sony's advanced audio AI algorithms improve your music further thanks to their DSEE Ultimate, upscaling your compressed music or streaming service of choice to near high-res audio quality. And when it comes to the full stage stereo speakers, not only do you benefit from an extended frequency response, giving you deeper bass, better mid-bass, and more details in the top end, but these speakers meet the extremely high standards set by Sony Music, so you can be confident that your music is in the best hands, however you choose to listen. Along with the camera powered by Alpha and the audio powered by Walkman, the display continues to be powered by Bravia, with the Xperia 1 Mark 7 giving you the same award-winning TV performance as its bigger brothers. Last year, we introduced Sunlight Vision, a feature that utilises the light sensor on the front of the Xperia to deliver unrivaled quality when faced with the harshest of direct sunlight. And now, with the Xperia 1 Mark 7, not only has the peak brightness of the display been improved, but also both the light sensor at the front and the back are being used to deliver premium Bravia quality and phenomenal visibility at all times. This is great for when you're chilling in the sun watching your favourite content, or if you're taking photos or videos in tricky backlit situations. There's no more competing for brightness or visibility, and definitely no more cupping the screen for a better view. Things get even smarter with the Xperia 1 Mark 7's display with adaptive colour. The Xperia 1 Mark 7 can adjust both the colour temperature and the colour gamut to offer the best visibility wherever you are. The processor that helps make all of this possible is the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, giving a significant boost in all areas of performance. And it's equipped with Wi-Fi 7, so as networks around you are being upgraded, you can stay ahead of the game and experience faster and more stable connections for your streaming and gaming needs. Speaking of staying up to date, the Xperia 1 Mark 7 will be supported for 4 Android operating system updates and 6 years of security updates too. And to help with longevity, you can also use battery care to get up to 4 years of healthy battery usage. But even after all of these updates and improvements, the Xperia 1 Mark 7's 5,000 mAh battery can still provide 2 days of use. You can even get up to 36 hours of video playback on a single charge, and that is some serious performance. So there you have it. The power of Alpha and Xperia intelligence leveling up your content creation skills and making it easier to capture memorable moments. The power of Walkman bringing your portable audio experience to a new level never before seen on a smartphone. And the power of Bravia ensuring that your display is always running at top performance for superb immersive viewing. Not to mention a huge performance boost that will last and still maintaining a 2-day battery life. So let me know in the comments down below what your favourite feature of the Xperia 1 Mark 7 is. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on all things Xperia, and I will see you next time.